Saoirse here. Today is art day, so we're coming by here, the art studio, the studio Locha with Kim Sharkey here. This is right above the Ionad of Dunlewey, or the Dunlewey Centre here in Gidor. And so she's just opened this studio here. It's really nicely located right above Lough Dunlewey and right below Mount Errigal. So it's really grand. So tell us about your studio.
So I've just been here 3 weeks now, and I actually worked here 24 years ago. I was working doing ceramics in the place for 4 years, so it feels like coming home again. And the studio's open, and people can call in anytime. So I'm mainly doing I work multimedia, so whatever day people pop in, there'll always be something different going on. And thank you for calling by and visiting. Thanks to you both.